One of my favorite things about the curriculum at Marion Technical College is that you leave with experience in the field. So at Marion Tech, everybody has a job shadow in the first term, first semester that they're at Marion Tech, and then also they get experience as in a co-op or internship. So you might have seen people graduate in the past from a school where they don't have an internship and they leave with a degree, but they don't have any experience. And so it was a catch-22 that I went through when I was in school. But now at Marion Tech, what we've done, we made it so that you leave with experience, you leave with a degree. So when you go to interview for a real job, you have the experience to be able to move on. So we have IT students doing all kinds of different things. Some of the IT students are working help desk. Some of the IT students are working in software development, quality assurance. We have students that are working as a system admin. We also have students that are working preparing high school students in cybersecurity. So the range of things that you can do at Marion Tech within the IT field is really limitless. So all of our classroom experience is applied. And so you get to leave with experience no matter where you're at within the classroom, but you actually get to do it in a real live environment. So some of the hot fields in our area would be software development, cybersecurity, networking. On the business side, marketing is a big one. Business is a big one. It just kind of depends on what the student is looking for. All of our programs at Marion Tech are related to an in-demand job. And so when we go to get a new program approved through the state of Ohio, we have to provide job forecasts so that we can support the program study. And so every degree that we offer at Marion Tech has to have certain thresholds met in order to be offered. So one of the things that I really enjoy about Marion Tech is that our faculty come from industry and they have experience in the field. So you're not learning from a textbook teacher, you're learning from an industry professional that has worked in their trade and can help you get a job. And so Marion Tech is amazing for that perspective because most of our faculty have come with 10, 15, 20 years in the field, and they can share what they've learned with you, and so you get a head start. We do include experiential learning in that first semester. So in that first semester, you are going to be out there doing job shadowing as part of your introductory course. So then you can really see what it's like to be a software developer or see what it's like to be a cybersecurity analyst. And so you can actually see if this is really the pathway for you. The degrees at Marion Tech allow students of all ages to come and learn a specific field. We have coursework at local companies like Whirlpool where employees can actually upskill and get into a different position. We have some employees that got displaced at the beginning of COVID, and then they come to Marion Tech to look to upskill and get a position. So all of the programs at Marion Tech allow you to move on and build your pathway. Soft skills are probably one of the most important skills to have when you are looking to apply to an internship or to a co-op or to a position out in the field. And that's one of the things that we try to incorporate into all of our classroom activities. We have integrated into our curriculum a career readiness course so that you can build interview skills and your resume and try it out on professionals within the field. So that way you're not going out at the last minute when you exit from Marion Tech thinking, oh, I have everything done. But no, we want to make sure that you have it done right.